Good morning, all. I am Karthik Sharma from 10th Standard. Today, I am going to speak on child labor. Childhood is the best and golden time for any person. But when the burden of responsibilities is put on the little hands, then their whole life gets spoiled along with childhood. Some people push these children into the wells of childhood for a small amount of money. They play with the morality of children. This is a social issue which needs to be uprooted. Our Indian government has enacted many laws to abolish child labor. But we should also carry out the duty of being a true citizen. Let's start to eradicate childhood from our society, our state, and our country. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sachin Dam. I am from class 10th. My topic is yoga. Yoga your improves strength, balance, and flexibility. Yoga benefit heart health. Yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. Boost metabolism, build muscles strength, increase flexibility, increase blood flow. Yoga helps you manage stress.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Himanshu. I study in class 10. I am going to recite a paragraph on education. Education is a process of imparting skill, knowledge, value of the formal settings and developing the students' knowledge and check their process. These are done by look the suitable jobs and make successful. Yes, education is the key of success. Thank you.
All of you, my name is Prince, class 10th. I am going to speak on yoga. Yoga is a mental, physical and spiritual practice which help in attaining a great mind, body and soul. The word yoga has descended from Sanskrit language which referred to union. Yoga has originated in ancient India and dates back to the pre-Vedic time. Yoga helps fight stress, improve the immune system, flexibility, health and overall personality. A study shows that around 16 million people in USA practice yoga.
Good morning, all of you. I am Krishna Sharma. Today I am going to present the topic Education is the key to success. Education lenses the challenge you face in the life. The more knowledge you gain, the more opportunities will open to allow individual to better achievement and possibilities in career and personal growth. A person with higher education can get a highly qualified jobs. Education plays the importance of education is not recognized, then someday education will become less relevant. Education serves to unite the strength of our country. Without education, people would not able to be distinguished right from wrong. If this should happen, then our society will find itself at a large disadvantage. Compared at the country, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Morning, all of you. My name is Vivek Yadav. I am from class 10. My today topic is yoga. Yoga is an ancient art that connects our mind and our body. It is an exercise that is performed by balancing the elements of our bodies. In addition, it helps to meditate and relax. Moreover, yoga helps us to keep control of our body as well as our mind.